attention to customer experience is the next disruption in the industry. The companies and organizations who are able to make customer experience their core for any product or any services or any platform they're developing and building, people who are able to do that are the people who are going to emerge as winners, right? And so basically, I personally see that industry has started to acknowledge this, understand this, right? And the focal point has already started shifting towards customer experience. Not only now, it's going to stay like this for the near foreseeable future. And I'll tell you why, right? So because customer experience is something which comes to human beings naturally, right? It is your natural instinct. We thrive on experiences. Simple things, right? When you go to have food in a restaurant, for example, right? And there are 4 restaurants to choose from. What would you choose, right? Food is the same, right? You probably pick something which has a better ambience, the service is better, maybe the cutlery is better, whatever, right? So food is basic, right? Food is what you're going to eat, but the experiences around the dining process is what hits you, right? It's what will create an impact for you. And 6 months later, when you are faced with a similar experience, a similar situation of going out for dining in a particular location, wherever, right? Or your friend wants to dine out, you would go ahead and recommend, right? Say that I had a good experience here, go here. Or you would also say, oh no, there I had a very bad experience, don't go there, right? And that is going to be true for your digital applications, digital platforms, digital products as well, right? People, it's very easy to lose loyalty, right? I spoke about the XYZ bank and the ABC bank. I chose ABC because today it gave me a better experience. Say XYZ went back, disrupted their app, created a new app with better features, better experiences. It is very easy for me as a consumer to quickly switch to XYZ, right? And ABC in the process lost a customer if they hadn't also thought about these continual improvements in experience. So experience is not a one-time effort, right? You make something, you launch, you take feedback from the users, collect feedback, see what is happening, and then keep on building upon it,